Thierry Métros, the current design director of DS Automobiles, meticulously reproduced the proportions of the Citroen SM in the SM Tribute concept, but to make the car look modern, he made the body noticeably wider and reduced the ground clearance, and instead of small 15-inch wheels by modern standards, he installed luxurious 22-inch rollers. The overall length of the concept is 4.94 m, width 1.98 m, height 1.34 m. The transparent cap covering the headlights has been preserved and turned into a 3D sculpture, pierced by LEDs. The rear wheels are partially covered by body panels, like the historical ancestor, but now there are cutouts both at the top and bottom. These are, perhaps, the most memorable features of the concept.